Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're wrapping up a big project, putting together all of the notes, pictures, and forms required to close out the contract and collect your final payment. But wait, that's not as easy as it sounds. Project record is missing, thousands of photos just blend together. Project foremen have come and gone, taking their project knowledge with them. To top it all off, an attorney just contacted you about a vehicle accident that happened 4 months ago in one of your work zones. I could go on and on. Are the hairs standing up on the back of your neck? Cold sweats? Don't worry. I'm going to provide some ways digital stationing can relieve the pain created during the closing stages of a project. I'll cover how you can avoid risk, generate undisputed project closeout, and collect that final payment just a little bit faster.